Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how you can import the external audio that you have already recorded, or maybe you have a speech clip already and you want to edit that in Audacity now. So maybe it's a raw file and you want to, remove the background noise and make some changes to that particular voice, but that's already in the MP3 and not mainly recorded in Audacity. Or maybe it's recorded in Audacity but already produced in MP3, and now you want to import that particular audio file. How can I do that? It's very simple. Just click on File and click on this import option. Here you will choose audio. Most likely you will select the MP3 files, but even if you have WAV files or other files, you can select that as well. So let's click on audio, and now let's select my audio. I'll just select this and open. Now this particular clip was recorded in a stereo form, that's why it's showing two waves, but that is just fine. So you might be asked with the prompt that do you want to override that changes or something like that. So just make a copy if it asks you to create a backup copy and show you the warning that the original data may be changed or lost if you didn't make the copy. So if it asks you that message, just always take the backup, and after that click import. So you will come up with this clip where you can make any changes now, or you can edit this audio. So guys, this is how you can import the audio in Audacity. Until this point, if you have any questions, you can just feel free to ask and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. So with this said, let's move to our next topic.